In Inmoconnect, you can easily manage your account settings. In this video, we will show you how to update your personal information, company information, and password. There are two places where you can edit the settings. In the bottom of the left-hand button, there is a button called Settings. You can also click on your name or profile picture on the top right corner. Here you can edit and update the settings. Here you can edit your personal information. In the right corner, there is a bright orange button, Edit Personal Details. When you click on it, you go to the page to edit your personal information. You can make all the changes here, and in case you are an agent in Spain, you can upload your PI certificate. Once you are finished, you can press the blue button Save to save the settings. Next to personal information, you will find a button Company Information. This is visible if the account is a company account. It works in the same way to edit the company details. Press the orange button, Edit Company Details, to edit the company details. As you see, you can edit all the company details here. Edit them and press Save to save the details. The last option in the menu is Change Password. You can simply change the password by clicking on the button. A new page will open. It will ask for the current password. Below, you can set a new password. You have to repeat the password and press on Save Password to change your password.